Assalamu alaikum ji. My name is Faisal Sherjan and today we're going to talk about knowledge streams. What exactly is knowledge streams and what are its objectives? So the discussions I've had with Dr. Sohail Naqvi, right, before he came back to Pakistan from the Central Asian University was about pivoting from degree programs to skill programs, shortening the period of time that you need to develop somebody who becomes productive in the mainstream IT industry. जब हम स्किल्स की बात करते हैं, जैसे नॉलेज स्ट्रीम्स एक इंस्टीट्यूट है जो स्किल्स सिखाएगा और सिखा रहा है, तो बात होती है कि जी गैप क्या है, रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, क्यों आपको स्किल इंस्टीट्यूट चाहिए। रियलिटी ये है कि जो यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं हमारी और जो कॉलेजेस हैं टेक्निकल स्किल्स इम्पार्ट करने के लिए, उनमें और इंडस्ट्री में बहुत बड़ा गैप है। जो डिग्रीज़ लेकर आ रहे हैं दे डू नॉट नेसेसरली हैव द स्किल्स दैट आर एक्चुअली रिक्वायर्ड for a very fast evolving IT industry. Second gap is the lack of soft skills. They come with some technical knowledge, but they have no soft skill knowledge. They do not understand emotional intelligence. They do not understand competencies of leadership. They do not understand, right, what is required in terms of communication when you are reaching out to the world, right, which is your market, right? So, is किस्म की skills. There are about 8 skills that are also being imparted by knowledge stream.